Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. I have this beautiful cutting board that I got at a grab bag from Michael's last year. I'm going to use white chalk paint and I'm going to cover it, giving it 2 coats. I have this hello sign and these leaves that I painted off camera in black. And you guys can choose whatever color you prefer. Now I'm gonna hot glue all of these pieces to the cutting board. And with this ribbon, I'm gonna hot glue it right here on top. And again, you guys could use whatever color ribbon you like. And look at how beautiful this is turning out. I also have this black and white ribbon. I bought it at Michael's last year in a grab bag as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue both of the corners in the back, and this is the way it looks. I hope you love it just like I do. I took this orange color and I diluted it in white, only because the orange that I had was too bright. And I will also be painting some of the beads in white. And I am going to be creating a beautiful fall garland. Now that the beads are put in place, we'll go ahead and put it to the side. And now I'm going to come in with the white chalk paint and this little owl. I will also remove this sticker, and later on with my drill, I'm going to be making a hole right here. And now let's go ahead and paint it. I'm gonna give it 2 coats of white chalk paint. This owl is absolutely beautiful. I am loving it so far, and I'm not even done. And with this rope, this white rope from Dollar Tree, this is how I'm going to make my tassel. I just took a piece, folded, tied the top with a little bit of jute twine, and now I'm just going to go ahead and brush it until it's smooth, and then I come back and give it a little haircut. And this is the way it looks. I am loving that tassel. And the little owl, I will be giving it the same color orange. I'll give it 1 coat, and then with some hot glue, I'll glue it right on top of this white owl. So I made a bowl with the same jute twine, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use a little bit of hot glue and put it right here. This is so gorgeous. I hope that you have enjoyed this beautiful DIY, and if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I purchased these plywood circles, 3 in a package from Michael's. They're 14 inches and they are pretty thick as well. They're 0.23 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead on and I'm gonna paint the entire circle in white, and I'm giving it 1 coat. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the side, and I have this leaf from Dollar Tree that I'm going to be painting in orange. But this acrylic paint is a little watery, so I like to add baking soda to it. And I gave it 1 coat. So I'm taking some more of this white chalk paint and I'm going to start creating the veins of the leaf. And this little home sign, they come 2 in a package from Dollar Tree. I'm painting it with this white chalk paint. And here comes almost the final part. I have this little piece of wood and I am going to hot glue it, of course, behind this leaf, adding more hot glue and then putting it on that circle that we painted in white. And now with the home sign, I'm going to do the same thing, some hot glue and putting it on top of this beautiful leaf. Oh my God, I am loving it. And I did a bow. I bought this ribbon at Dollar Tree and I have some leaves. These wooden beads, I'm painting some in orange and white, and this is what we're going to use to put in this jewel string and display it in the wall. And I want to thank you one more time. If you are watching my channel and you are a return subscriber, hello, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for being part of my channel. And if this is your first time stopping by, please consider subscribing. I would love for you to be part of my channel. And I hope you enjoy this beautiful DIY. I purchased this cutting board at Aldi's and I will be giving it 2 coats with white chalk paint. And I have these little wood blocks that I will be painting also in white. Everything is dry now, so let's go ahead on and hot glue these little blocks to the cutting board, and these will be the legs. Later on, off camera, I came back in and I completed to paint the bottom side of this cutting board. I have also these rub-ons, this huge leaf. Oh my God, I'm in love with this leaf. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off and I will be rubbing it on to the cutting board. And just finishing up, I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue some of this macrame cotton twine right here, and we are done. I hope you have enjoyed this DIY, and if you do, don't forget to comment and share with your families and friends so like that this video could reach more people. And let me know what you think about this DIY.